jump down. Let's just scare.
Oh, see, there's more parking down here.
There's benches.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's keep driving.
That's probably suspicious.
This is so-called sculpture park. We're just out here driving through this park, not even a few miles from home that we've never been into. Driven past every single day. I drive past every single day to go work, to come from work, and I've never actually come over here. What's this?
I think we went in a circle. I think we're just back at the start.
Back at the main road.
Yeah, back at the main road.
No, I don't know this part. No, it says sculpture park that way. Just keep turning the way.
No, we're back at the we're at the start, Mommy.
Oh, you think I take a picture? So we out in the streets. We out in the park. Hey, 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 hey.
Mother.
Let's do some TikTok dance. Come on now. We're going walking in the woods. We're not gonna go far. I mean, yes, we are. Anything to be out the house? But where's this whole sculpture park thing? Was it around where we drove the last time?
I don't know. Which path are we taking?
That's what it is. It's an old bathroom.
There's women right there. You're not using the old bathroom. We might be even not to get out. Trying to play snacks.
Maybe the sculpture park part is across from the dog park?
Oh, wait, no.
The dog park?
It could probably be if we ask them.
Hmm?
Walking along the trail. Mother, doesn't that look like an animal? The head of a wood? An animal.
The root of the tree?
Yeah, it's a pig. An animal. To me, it looks like a cat.
I was just trying to catch y'all walking. That's it.
Oh, maybe it's one. What's it like? I don't know.
Yeah, see, we walked back over to the dog park.
Where do you see the dog park?
Right through the bush.
Oh, I see it now. We took some dogs. Always take.
Unless it's sculpture park, it's through the part down here where we can't drive any further.
What if it goes down that way?
Oh, there's benches and stuff over here. It's a picnic area back here.
That's what I pointed out when we were driving past it.
Oh, that's that section. Oh. Oh, this is that summit field thing.
I think it's like there could be this area. I don't have you don't have a permit. You don't have a permit. But there's no one actually here, so.
Yes, if you want to come and barbecue and stuff like that, you could do that.
We need a permit.
Like you could rent
field
and barbecue. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, he's like, yeah, he's a real girl. Charcoal down here. Red rock.
Hmm?
Is this? I think
What
it's
you-
a senior picnic place. I'll call my friend.
Call your friend for what, Terrence?
To show them. I knew I can do now. Shut up now.
Stop it. We should have really grabbed water instead of leaving it in the car.
No, stop going any further. Oh no, it's the wind.
Come on, let's go. Where you going, Nye? Come on, T.
I'm going down the trail.
What's that? Maybe it was a water thing?
I don't think this is a place you're supposed to go to.
Terrence, it's a trail.
Oh, you think this is like probably an old trail?
Terrence, it's clear. It's not an old trail.
I think this is ready for the.
Hmm?
I think you could have taken your car here and know the back. It has like the
What's that? Probably the park people drive through here.
park rangers.
What's that? Oh, people just go there, take a picture on the stump or something, because there's a foot trail.
I guess we could.
What's there?
For what? Another trail.
Oh, but we're not going over there. We're going to stay on the main trail. The road. Be careful with the bushes. Man, you get stung by something. Oh, look at the chipmunk. A chipmunk. It just went. It just jumped.
Is it a baby one? Like
Yes, it's a very small one.
baby chipmunk.
I don't think I've ever seen one up close.
Did you get it on camera?
Probably didn't.
Down there.
Because I saw it after. Huh?
Are we gonna go down? It would have been a great idea to go. But I don't know.
It's gone. I don't want to disturb it.
People are over there.
Just to find it.
People are over there, Mama. Gonna call it for your YouTube channel.
That's what people do. They come out their house and walk around and go on trails and go hike and go camping.
It's been a great idea if I could play Pokemon Go right now.
And go picnicking. That's what people do,
And
Terrence.
play Pokemon Go.
A lot of people don't stay locked up in the house all the time like we do. They come out the house.
Don't you dare. Why can't I just sign enough a guess? Pokemon Go stuff.
That's what they do. They're looking for the sculpture park. It's probably on the other end. Huh? I didn't eat nothing either. So yeah, it's a water thing. See, I told you. It's a water thing.
That's probably old.
I'm sure I still have water.
That's your phone.
You have to press a button. It's turned off.
It's probably not working anymore.
I have a porta potty if you gotta go poop-a-leap, pee-pee-leap.
No. It's not hard to do that.
Look at the root of the tree that fell. Look at the root system.
Oh, this is another.
This one has a bench under it.
We could use this for school and stuff back in the day. Because the other one had no tables, which could probably be a horse guy. But we'll never know. Again with the 2 trails. Let's go this way. There's 3 turtles. 3 turtles?
Which way do we go? 1, 2, 3.
3.
I see the road. I think I'm going towards the road.
Which is,
Oh, look, we could go. This is goes to parking, but not where we're parked.
their parking is all the way.
But I want to go see down the other way, see if that's where the sculpture park is.
Come on, Mama. Oh, yeah, parents are early.
And we've made it to one end of the trail.
Who else is
I
named
see
after-
cars.
Who else is named after our ancestors in our family?
Hmm.
Huh? Huh?
I don't know.
I mean, I think I'm the only one I know that's named after my ancestor, which was your grandfather.
Record? Yeah, I can record. I should have recorded you getting up there. Come on.
Can I get a picture of myself?
Wait, no, jump down.
Huh?
All right, your turn, TC. You get up there. Give me your phone.
My phone's gonna die soon.
Of course your phone's gonna die soon. Why am I not surprised?
1 second. Behind here.
Swing your leg up, Terrence. There you go. Now stand up. There you go.
Go. It's gonna leave me behind with your phone? I'm recording. So we've made it back to the dog park. You can say it ain't so.
We never mentioned a dog park before. It's a dog park. Go back up, T.
Miss Niles getting her picture taken. I'm not gonna get my picture taken because I already have my picture taken. And I'm not this girl who thinks she's a beauty star. I wanna record. You're such a bad.
And we're still at the park. Huh? Oh. Because we're over here. There's a dog park over here.
Without anyone looking.
That's where we walked through just now, Summit Field.
I'm joking. Do they want us to go through there?
Through what?
There. It says welcome to the wildflower.
I guess this is the sculpture park, whatever this is. These sculptures. Huh?
I want to go inside that.
No, it says do not touch.
It doesn't? No, it doesn't. See? It says.
I guess this is where we should have parked now. Well, where? See? Aqua Loop Trail.
So basically, that's where the dog. That's where the dog.
But it's closed. The gate is closed.
The dog park. To the dog park.
Yeah, that's that would be the Aqua Loop Trail, but the gate's closed. That's cool.
We went to Old Navy.
Terrence, we went to Old Navy. It was closed.
It was closed.
Yeah. This is called Flying Canoe.
Poison ivy over there.
That's cool. It does look like a canoe on top. It's called Flying Canoe.
Canoe.
Nala, do not correct me. They got some stuff in the trees over there.
What does the sculpture look like?
It's really cool, right? It's really cool back here with all the trees.
What does the sculpture look like? A picture.
But there's also another side on this side. Let's go on this side over here, guys. Now come. That's the trail, but part of it's closed because this gate is closed unless you're supposed to open it. Let's go this way. Careful, TC, come on. And then this one's South Mountain Tower. That's what this one's called. And then this one's called Wave. This supposed to look like a wave.
That looks nothing like a wave. It looks like a bunch of seahorses combined.
And then what's the stuff in the trees? I was like, supposed to be birds, Terrence.
They look like trash and trees.
South Mountain Reservation Welfare Sculpture
I
Park.
mean, I think they use trash to make it. I do like it. What is? Oh,
They look like thingy bottles. Oh, so we drove past this. Oh, at least we got a little walk in. This is almost what?
Almost backroom entities. This is also backroom entity. Let's talk about Lear.
This one's Lair.
That's a backroom entity.
We got some flowers right here.
Oh, they have a little thing for the dog. And this is called a weird shape. It's called a sand. I think it wants us to ascend to heaven.
This one's Lee Tribe Ascend.
Yeah, I think we're done here.
What?
She said if she gets poisoned.
Oh, we're not going far. You're right, Nyla.
Right.
And look for the
You
purple
go
sense.
right.
Watch it. I'll go
I
ahead.
will.
Come on. We don't have to go far. Look at the chipmunk. I missed it again.
This is not a good trail.
Don't touch nothing, that's all.
I'm making sure I don't touch anything.
If you guys don't want to go, we could turn back. He says it's like a 20-minute walk.
I'll be okay.
We're technically not prepared for this.
Much as I can dodge.
Okay, let's go find a plastic coyote and turn back. How about that?
Yeah.
You want to go through it? Remember, we still got to walk back to the car. Yeah, you just follow the trail, yeah. Still in the bushes. We're still in the bushes. He gave us a picture of the map on my phone, so. See, they have the tree painted. Yeah, it makes a path, yeah. Come on, T. We got this. Got this, right? Right in our backyard, and we never been here. It's just like, we're going to be starving when we get out. We're going to have to stop and get something to eat.
Yeah. I was already starving when we were in the car. All I had was cereal and that was it. I didn't have hot cocoa.
Next time we bring a backpack with snacks and water.
And we're going to be hiking.
It's a squirrel now.
Camp here.
We gotta take a picture for the
Sam?
what's the thing called? The picture, the main picture, the thumbnail.
Oh.
Yeah. Just see the purple on the tree. Well, hello, whoever it is.
If you want to be on, I will grab a walking dart at you. Just so you know.
The path is a trail path. It's not smooth, obviously, you know.
I saw a lake on the map. The actual thing is...
You saw a lake on the map?
Yeah.
I think that's the other trail.
Oh.
We took the lavender loop. Oh, there's another right here.
This is north.
We could still, yeah, let's keep going this way.
South. Which way?
So, hold up, wait. North, south. Let's keep going.
Okay.
It's either way. So let's stick to the left. Right? It still goes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's keep going. And they have all these purple marks on the tree to let you know where you are, just like any trail.
I think we passed.
And we're still going through the bush. There's nothing much to see here. Just trees, but it's okay. Something to get out the house. What?
Where do we go?
Keep going, Nye.
As we get home.
Let's read. What's this tree? Whew. Why do I have to have the headphones in when our thing is not even playing? All right, let's see.
Put it in your bag. What is this?
Wetlands. Okay, so I guess when it rains down here, get kind of wet.
And it floods.
Yeah.
There's a turtle.
Look, there's a bird. You see it?
Where?
On the tree down there.
I don't see it.
Like it sound like a woodpecker. Do you hear it?
Yeah, I hear it. That's the bird I was talking about. You scared of a woodpecker?
Do you hear it pecking the wood? Can't get it. It moves from where side.
Are we getting off the trail?
No, it's right back behind us. And then this is what it would look like when it's wet. But it's down there on the tree.
Right there. Oh,
Yeah.
Still.
So this, if it rains, this will be a swamp right here. All right, the trail's back the other way. Look, that way. Hmm?
I know Kate God.
What's that?
She likes this.
Oh.
Here.
Yeah. Mhm.
I have to go through the. We got room.
Right here.
Oh, I'm on the wrong trail.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are.
I feel good enough here. My shoes untied again.
You gotta stop. Oh, there it is.
Oh. Oh, that's a coyote.
Crossing the line. It's right up there.
I thought we passed a coyote.
Okay. All right. Now we have this little wooden circle thing that goes for us to walk. Cause when it rains, they said this becomes a swamp. So they have this thing built up for us to walk on. Yeah, it looks so. Just look for purple on the tree ahead of you. That's all. See? Purple down there.
I feel like someone touched me. It's a cobble or something.
Yes, trunks, the trees.
can't see a purple down here. Or, you know,
Terrence, the purple's right in front of you.
I know, but that,
Careful of the tree roots.
what is this? What is that for?
There's something else. It's mosquitoes. There's something else you say.
Oh,
It says live for information.
this is information.
Please close.
One
Silt
second.
grass. Japanese knotweed. Careful, don't sit over there. I guess whatever grows up here. Those things. Okay. Close after. Please close.
Well, I wonder what happens if you kept it open. But we're not really sure that. Yep, purple. Yeah, what's it?
Uh-oh. Now we have to cross over this little bridge.
I'll go first.
So hasn't really been any rain. Huh? I'm coming. Step up the little bridge. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. And we're crossing. We got a little rain on Monday. That's why it looks a little bit damp, but nothing to phone home about. I guess people marking the trail to keep you on the path, the right path too.
But I think the purple stuff is good. The 12 should be 6 foot one.
Got ferns out here.
I had a hesitation like when I first started this trail, but I think I'm feeling good. Ow. Feeling better
Just
now.
careful, roots everywhere. You're feeling better now?
Yeah.
It's good to be at the house and for this walk, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Look at that. This is not even what we left the house for.
it'd be less for something to do with me. But
There's another one.
oh, here's something else.
Where?
I'm the one that pointed out really we were going to the mall.
Yeah, I was past it and I always think about it. But by the time I get home, you know, I want to come back out. So
Roots in wetland. The area is spanned by this bog bridge is a naturally occurring wetland covered with the roots of the trees and sparse grass. Always soggy, the water level varies throughout the year. The soil is rich in nutrients and provides habitat for amphibians and
invertebrates.
invertebrates, but will not support fish.
Okay. So this is this section right here. I'm coming. Just look, Terrence, you have a footpath, this wooden bridge thing. Just keep going. You'll buck up on another purple soon. Plus, look at the orange string. Someone else tied those. What?
Oh, up ahead.
What?
What?
One of it? One eye?
That's a two. Up ahead. So basically, if like something happens to like the purple stuff, people would mark the with their ribbons and stuff. I think, at least.
Terrence got his Crocs in sports mode. As you know, we out here.
Mother knows. She's a cool mom. She's not one of those moms who doesn't want you to leave electronic.
Where's your phone, Terrence?
My pocket.
Oh.
Oh, wait. There's a blue and a purple mark.
Because there's a blue trail. That means we're almost at the end of the purple trail.
You hear that?
Go, there's a lot of mosquitoes here. Go. Y'all don't hear them swarming around you?
No. I don't see them, but I don't see them.
Yes, yes, keep going, keep
There's
going.
another Christmas. I think this is where the blue trail. Yeah, that's where the blue trail goes. That's the blue trail. No, this is the blue trail. Yes, we're on the purple trail.
Because remember, the blue trail started the other direction.
Oh, no, this is blue trail. This is blue trail. Is it?
Let's follow the orange. Let's see. Wait, it's almost done. We're almost finished.
Right there. What? Right there, see? You see it?
The dog park, yeah.
So we went the right trail. I think that blue trail is bigger.
Then the blue trail is smaller. Purple trail is longer. But look, there's even another. Is that to the gate? No, the gate's not there. Because that's behind the dog park. The gate is somewhere up here. Oh, Aqua Loop. This is shorter. The Aqua Loop is shorter. Wanna go see what's over there?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there. Yeah, it's
Oh, I didn't see. Wildflower meadow. Oh. So that means we need to go that way up there to come out.
what's this?
That's what we're trying to go see.
This is an actual exercise.
Yeah, this is called go home and go to sleep. Well,
But after
eat,
food.
and I'm gonna need a shower after all this.
There's also something right there. And another.
2019 spring. I guess it's supposed to be the flowers of colors of spring. Whew. Okay, that's what that is. Oh, this is a circle back out, so we have to come back out. We have to go back that way. You can see this thing, whatever this is, it's a circle, you see? It's like a circle. Where are you going, T? This way? Oh. Unless it's another path through right there.
There's a lot I'm not going to read.
Woodland ecosystems. Woodland ecosystems. I guess you can see. I mean, we haven't had that much rain, like I said, this summer, so it's not as bushy. But they have beech trees. Sometimes there's red fox, flowering dogwood, spice bush, Christmas fern, black haw viburnum, ironwood, whatever that is. Is that a path, Nye? I better be by the gate.
I think we are by the gate. Really? Dog park site. Oh, I think it's up here.
Where is it? Where is it? I guess it's missing. Unless it's that thing over there by the rock. Yes, TC, we figured that out.
I got so much trails.
Oh, Christmas tree. And, oh, okay, so that's where the Aqua Loop go. Either side. But it's smaller than the one we just took. But okay, we did it. See, aren't you guys proud of yourselves? I'm proud of y'all. We did it. We did physical activity. Yay. Huh? We did it. We did it. We made up our minds and we did it. We did it. We made up our minds and did it. Now let's get.
Now it's a long walking part.
Well, we're gonna walk along the road. We're not going back through the other side of the park. We're just gonna go. Thank you, Terrence.
You're welcome.
This man passed with his dog. Let's see what this is. Look, this box. I didn't come over here. The Essex column. We did it, guys! High five! High five! Yay! High five, night.
It was because of the last trail I chose.
What?
I was back here. Y'all could use the other pathway. Which we got in the spot.
No, we just walk extra. That's all.
No, it was the whole. It was because of me that we got.
All right. Yes, yes, we did it. That's all that matters. We got out the house, and we did.
Actually went along the trail.
Yes, we walked. Yes, we're beat. We got out the house, and we walked a trail. Look at us being. I don't know. We're out here. Woohoo! We did it, guys. Sweet. Where's the name for this one? Oh, it's over here. What is it called? Those diamond-looking things. Woo! I know there's another one. This one's nice too. Oh, look, there's stuff on the
See?
the rocks. Look on the rock. Did you see it?
Yeah. Don't be quiet now. Let Mama have it fun.
And then
It's called
spring.
the spring.
And then that spring. That's nice too.
This doesn't look like a spring, but
Yeah, with the water springing out.
if it actually had water, it would be. You know. Come on, brother. Gotta get back to the car. You have to catch up in Outlaw.
I know she's running away from us. And it's from Salvage Steel. We need to get a picture of the sign.
We'll just walk up this path.
This is where we were.
Mother,
Huh?
look.
This is where we were. Well, of course, we didn't come for the dog. We came for the wildflower and forest. Of course, there was no wildflower. There was forest, lots of forest, but no wildflower. Oh, you mean up that path? Huh? Yeah. And what's down there? Now we can't. We gotta walk on the path. We can't walk on the road.
We'll just go over here first and quickly and go up. Hi, Georgie.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think we're going down there.
Yeah, no, we're not gonna go that. That's another day.
We're gonna do that another day.
Let's get on the path back to the car.
So we don't get run over.
Mhm. Oh, careful! There's a ditch. Ditch.
I said ditch.
No, the long trek back to the car. I am thirsty. I am tired. I will not even lie. Ooh. Your zipper's down. Fix your zipper.
What? Stop.
Fix your zipper. Zipper clip on, Terrence.
Are you definitely taking that out? Look at dog. Here, let's get to the car. Come on, Molly.
Okay, we're coming up on the car. We're almost there. We're coming up on the car. We are coming up on the car. Yes, still in it. Not that far from the roadway this time though. We're back to the parking area. And I'm rather excited about that. I am hot, thirsty. This was not planned. Wasn't prepared for it. So next time we have to make sure that we come prepared. It was worth it though. I will say that much myself. It was worth it. Nice little trail walk, you know, instead of rushing into the house with nothing to do. We got some exercise. Yay! Woohoo! Exercise!
This was more walking than
I should have parked down here.
Yeah. I think this is more walking than we went to Philadelphia.
Cars over there.
But now it's God's birthday.
The mosquitoes are starting. The mosquitoes are starting. So I should have parked underneath the shade. Oh, stop. There she goes. There she goes.
Old Bessie. I named her Old Bessie.
What's up? Naming my car after old things.
I mean, it's old.
Let's park right in the sun. That was a bad idea. And we have arrived.
I think they're gonna be burned.
Woohoo!
Oh, our legs are totally not broken after that whole walk.
I'm glad that my phone. This is the end of our hiking, trail walking, sculpture searching, finding video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and thanks for coming along with us. All right, see you guys next time. Peace out. This is the road leading out. That's the AC you guys are hearing. This is the road leading out. This is the South Mountain Reservation. This is in South Orange in New Jersey. Not very far from where we live. We actually do a lot of stuff in South Orange, doctors and stuff like that, but we never come out here. So happy we decided to do it. I literally drive this road right here every single day coming from work. I drive down this road and I've never made a turn off. I'm actually happy we did today. So yeah. Oh, there's a sign. South Mountain Reservation right there. Steady full. Let me pull out a little bit more. Not let nobody behind me. All right. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share the video. Have a great one.